Hello everyone. First of all, happy Independence Day to all. In this lecture, we will discuss the numerical problems of exercise 9.1 of NCERT book Mathematics for class 7. First question. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0, -2 and -1, -4/5 and -2/3, -1/2 and 2/3. So, part A. We want to find out 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. See the technique. आपसे जितने रेशनल नंबर्स पूछे जाएं क्वेश्चन में कि आपको इन दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में 5 रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करना है, तो आप जितने रेशनल नंबर्स पूछे गए हैं उसमें 1 ऐड कर लीजिए. सो इट इज़ 6. अब आप इन रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐसे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करिए जिनका डिनोमिनेटर 6 हो. मीन्स -1 कैन बी रिटन एज -6/6 एंड 0 कैन बी रिटन एज 0/6. नाउ this is 0 which can be written as 0/6. This is -1 which can be written as -6/6. So this point can be written as -1/6. This point can be written as -2/6. This point can be written as -3/6. Similarly, -4/6, -5/6. These all points are in between 0 and -1. So the 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0 are -1/6, -2/6, -3/6, -4/6 and -5/6. B part. Between -2 and -1 कितने रेशनल नंबर्स हमें चाहिए इन दोनों इंटीजर्स के बीच में? इट इज 5. सो 5 + 1 = 6. नाउ इनको ऐसे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करिए जिनका डिनोमिनेटर 6 हो. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज -12/6 एंड दिस कैन बी रिटन एज -6/6. -1 -2. -1 is -6/6. -2 is -12/6. So -7/6, -8/6, -9/6, -10/6, -11/6. These 5 rational numbers are in between -1 and -2. So -7/6, -8/6, -9/6, -10/6, -11/6. These 5 rational numbers are in between -1 and -2. C part. Find out 5 rational numbers between -4 and 5 and -2/3. जब आपके पास ऐसे रेशनल नंबर्स हों जहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही टर्म में रेशनल नंबर डिफाइन हो रहा हो, ऐसे में आप दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स के जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं इनके आप जो है मल्टीपल्स देखिए, फिर उनके कॉमन मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. 3 मल्टीपल्स आर 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and so on. Similarly, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. Now, see the common multiples between 3 and 5. 15, 30, 45. नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? 60 and so on. So the common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, 30, 45, 60. नेक्स्ट होगा 75 and so on. अब इन दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐसे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करिए कि डिनोमिनेटर दोनों रेशनल नंबर में सेम हो। फर्स्ट इज 15। सो इसको हमने ऐसे रेशनल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट किया कि डिनोमिनेटर 15 हो। सो -4 × 3 अपॉन 5 × 3 एंड -2 × 5 अपॉन 3 × 5. Now the equivalent rational numbers are -12 upon 15 and -10 upon 15. See, -10 upon 15 and -12 upon 15 के बीच में केवल हमें एक ही रेशनल नंबर मिलेगा, दैट इज -11 upon 15. बट द क्वेश्चन इज हमें चाहिए 5 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन दीज 2 रेशनल नंबर्स. सो अब हम क्या करें, अब हम इन दोनों को ऐसे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर्स के टर्म में चेंज करें जो कि जिनका कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो. तो 15 तो हमने देख लिया, 15 में तो हमें केवल ही एक ही रेशनल नंबर मिल रहा है दोनों के बीच में. तो अब हम नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल पर जाते हैं, दैट इज 30. तो अब हम इन दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐसे रेशनल नंबर्स में चेंज करते हैं, ऐसे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर में जिनका कि डिनोमिनेटर 30 हो. So for this purpose, multiply by 6 in the numerator and denominator of the first rational number. So it is -4 × 6 upon 5 × 6 and 10 in second rational number. So it is -24 upon 30 and second is -20 upon 30. Now -21 upon 30, -22 upon 30, -23 upon 30. These 3 rational numbers are in between these 2 rational numbers. But we required 5 rational numbers. So again, move to the next common multiple, that is 45. To convert equivalent rational numbers whose denominators are 45, we multiply by 9 in the first rational number and 15 by in second rational number. So it is 36 upon 45 and it is -30 upon 45. Now -31 upon 45, -32 upon 45, -33 upon 45, -34 upon 45, -35 upon 45. These 5 rational numbers lie between -36 upon 45 and -30 upon 45. -36 upon 45 is the equivalent rational number of -4 upon 5 and -30 upon 45 is the equivalent rational number of -2 upon 3. So these 5 rational numbers are in between -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. Next, D part. We want 5 rational numbers between 2 rational numbers -1/2 and 2/3. Repeat the procedure. Find out the common multiples of 2 and 3. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Common multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, etc. So first common multiple is 6. So convert these two rational numbers into equivalent rational number whose denominator is 6. So minus 3 upon 6 and it is 4 by 6. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6, minus 1 upon 6 and minus 2 upon 6. These are the rational numbers which lie between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. These are 6. So write down any 5 rational numbers out of this 6 rational numbers which are between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. First pattern is minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20. See the pattern. What is the pattern? कि हर रेशनल नंबर माइनस 3 बाई 5 का इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर है. सेकेंड टर्म माइनस 6 बाई 10 कैसे आया? मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ माइनस 3 बाई 5 बाई 2. सो माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 माइनस 6, 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 10. थर्ड टर्म माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 सो माइनस 9, 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 सो 15. फोर्थ टर्म minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 12, 5 multiplied by 4 20. So the next term is minus 3 multiplied by 5 means minus 15 and 5 multiplied by 5 so it is 25. Next term minus 3 multiplied by 6 so it is minus 18, 5 multiplied by 6 so it is 30. Next term minus 3 multiplied by 7 so it is minus 21 and 5 multiplied by 7 so it is 35. Next term minus 3 multiplied by 8 so it is minus 24 and 5 multiplied by 8 so it is 40. So the next 4 term of this series is minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 35 and minus 24 upon 40. Look at the series. Minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 12. What is this series? Minus 1 multiplied by 2, so minus 2, 4 multiplied by 2, so 8. Means minus 2 by 8 is the equivalent rational number of minus 1 by 4 and the pattern is numerator and denominator both are multiplied by number 2. Third term, minus 1 multiplied by 3, so minus 3, 4 multiplied by 3, so 12. So the next term is minus 1 multiplied by 4 so it is minus 4 and 4 multiplied by 4 so it is 16. Next term minus 1 multiplied by 5 so it is minus 5 and 4 multiplied by 5 so it is 20. Next term minus 1 multiplied by 6 so it is minus 6 and 4 multiplied by 6 so it is 24. Next term minus 1 multiplied by 7 so it is minus 7 and 4 multiplied by 7 so it is 28. So minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24 and minus 7 upon 28 are the next 4 rational numbers in this series. Next, minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18, 4 upon minus 24. So before to solve this question, look at this. We know that minus 1 upon 6 and 1 upon minus 6 both are equivalent rational numbers because यदि हम minus 1 और 6 means numerator and denominator दोनों में यदि हम minus 1 से multiply कर देते हैं so it is 1 upon minus 6. It means चाहे आप कहिए minus 1 upon 6 या आप कहिए 1 upon minus 6 both are the same thing because both rational numbers are equivalent rational number. So minus 1 upon 6 की जगह पर हमने 1 upon minus 6 कंसीडर किया अब 1 अपॉन -6 में न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में ही हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सो 2 अपॉन -12 इज़ द इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर ऑफ 1 अपॉन -6। 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3 अपॉन -18 इज़ द इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर ऑफ 1 अपॉन -6। 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया सो 4 अपॉन -24 is the equivalent rational number of 1 upon -6, and remember 1 upon -6 is same as -1 upon 6. Look at the series. -1 upon 6 which is equivalent to the 1 upon -6. Multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator, so 2 by -12. Multiply by 3, so 3 upon -18. Multiplied by 4, so it is 4 upon -24. So next number is multiplied by 5, so 5 upon -30. Next number is multiplied by 6, so 6 upon -36. Next number is 7, so multiplied by 7, so 7 upon -42. Next number is 8, so 8 upon -48. So 5 upon -30, 6 upon -36, 7 upon -42, 8 upon -48. These are the next 4 rational numbers of this series. Look at this series. -2 upon 3 and 2 upon -3. Here we discuss the concept. So these both are the equivalent rational number. See the next number. 2 multiplied by 2 and -3 multiplied by 2. So 4 upon -6 is the next equivalent rational number of 2 upon -3. In the 6 upon -9, 2 multiplied by 3 and -3 multiplied by 3. So the next number is 2 multiplied by 4, so 8, and -3 multiplied by 4, so it is -12. Next number is 2 multiplied by 5, so it is 10, and -3 multiplied by 5, so it is -15. Next number is 2 multiplied by 6, so it is 12, and -3 multiplied by 6, so it is -18. Next number is 2 multiplied by 7, so it is 14, and -3 multiplied by 7, so it is -21. So 8 upon -12, 10 upon -15, 12 upon -18, and 14 upon -21 are the next 4 rational numbers of this series. Question number 3. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to -2 upon 7, 5 upon -3, and 4 upon 9. Remember your knowledge. If a number is in the form p by q and q is not equal to 0, then this number p by q is known as rational number. And if we multiply numerator and denominator both by a number n, where n is any integer except 0, then Pn upon Qn is known as equivalent rational number of rational number p by q. Use this concept. -2 upon 7. Now we multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So -4 upon 14 is the equivalent rational number of -2 by 7. Now multiply by 3. -6 upon 21 is the equivalent rational number of -2 by 7. Multiply by 4. So -8 upon 28 is the equivalent rational number of -2 upon 7. Multiply by -1, suppose. So 2 upon -7, this is also the equivalent rational number of -2 by 7. So by using this concept, you can find out n number of equivalent numbers of any number. For example, these 4 are the equivalent rational numbers of -2 upon 7. Next number is 5 upon -3. सबसे पहले तो -1 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करके हम देख लें। -5/3, दिस इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर ऑफ 5/-3। नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ बाई 2, so 10/-6, this is the equivalent rational number of 5/-3. Multiply by 3, so 15/-9, this is the equivalent rational number of 5/-3. Multiply by 4, so 20/-12, this is the equivalent rational number of 5/-3. So these are the 4 equivalent rational numbers of 5/-3. 4/9, multiply numerator and denominator both of 4/9 by 2, so it is 8/18, equivalent rational number of 4/9. Multiply by 3, so it is 12/27. Next, multiply by 4, so it is 16/36. Next, multiply by 5, so 20/45. These 4 are the equivalent rational numbers of 4/9. So use this concept and find out n number of rational numbers of any rational number. Question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on the number line. First number is 3/4. See the method. जब भी हम किसी रेशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हों तो सबसे पहले आप ये आइडिया लगाइए कि गिवन रेशनल नंबर किन दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में लाई करेगा। कैसे लगाएं आइडिया? आप रफली डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर का रिलेशनशिप देखिए। हियर इट इज़ 3/4, न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर, मीन्स एंड द रेशनल नंबर इज पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर. Positive rational number means it lie on the right side of 0, number 1. Number 2, because numerator is smaller than denominator, so the value of this rational number is lie between 0 to 1. So by using this concept हमने दो इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट की. नंबर 1 कि 3/4 राइट साइड ऑफ 0 लाई करेगा एंड नंबर 2 3/4 0 से 1 के बीच में लाई करेगा. नाउ सी द डिनोमिनेटर, इट इज़ 4. जितना डिनोमिनेटर है आपके रेशनल नंबर का, वो दो इंटीजर जिसके बीच में ये रेशनल नंबर लाई कर रहा है, उन दोनों इंटीजर्स के बीच का जो जोन है उसे आप उतने इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लीजिए जितना कि डिनोमिनेटर है आपके नंबर का. हियर द डिनोमिनेटर इज़ 4, सो 0 से 1 के बीच को आप 4 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लीजिए. 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. नाउ कन्वर्ट दीज इंटीजर्स इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. This can be written as 0/4 and 1 can be written as 4/4. So these points are 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. So this 3/4 lie at this point in the number line. Next point, -5/8. Rational number is negative rational number, so it lie in the left side of 0. Now numerator is smaller than denominator, so this point lie between 0 to -1. Draw the number line. It is suppose 0, it is -1. Next point, डिनोमिनेटर इज 8, सो 0 to -1 के बीच के जोन को 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दीजिए। वन, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now convert these integers into the form of rational number 0 upon 8 and minus 8 upon 8. So this point is minus 1 upon 8, next point is minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, minus 4 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is minus 5 upon 8 in the number line. Now, third part of this question, minus 7 by 4. First thing is, it is a negative rational number, so it lies in the left side of 0. Now, what's about the position of this number? Minus 1 can be written as minus 4 upon 4 and minus 2 can be written as minus 8 upon 4. Our number is minus 7 upon 4. It means this number lie between minus 1 and minus 2 in the number line. Draw the number line. 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Denominator is 4. So convert the zone between minus 1 and minus 2 into 4 equal parts. Now these are 4 equal parts between minus 1 and minus 2. Now convert these integers into the form of rational number. Minus 1 can be written as minus 4 upon 4 and minus 2 can be written as minus 8 upon 4. Now these numbers or these points are minus 5 upon 4, minus 6 upon 4 and minus 7 upon 4. So this point represent the rational number minus 7 upon 4 in the number line. Next is 7 by 8. It is a positive rational number, so it lie in the right side of 0. And again numerator is smaller than denominator, so it lie between 0 and 1. Draw the number line. Our interesting zone is 0 to 1. Denominator is 8, so convert this 0 to 1 into 8 equal zones, 8 equal parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now 0 can be written as 0 upon 8 and 1 can be written as 8 upon 8, and these points can be written as 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8 and it is 7 by 8. So this point represent the rational number 7 by 8 in the number line. Question number 5. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ and is equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R and S. Now see the number line. A, P, Q, B. These points lie between integers 2 and 3, where point A represent integer 2 and point B represent integer 3. The points P and Q are in such a way that the zone between integer 2 and 3 is divided into 3 equal parts. So this 2 can be written as 6 upon 3 and this 3 can be written as 9 upon 3, and hence this point P can be written as 7 upon 3 and this point Q can be written as 8 upon 3. So point P represent the rational number 7 upon 3 and point Q represent the rational number 8 upon 3. Now in the left side of this number line, point T represent the integer -1 and point U represent the integer -2, and R and S are the points in such a way that this zone is divided into 3 equal parts. So -1 can be written as -3 upon 3 and -2 can be written as -6 upon 3, and this R is -4 upon 3 and this S is -5 upon 3. So point R represents the rational number -4 upon 3 and point S represent the rational number -5 upon 3. So in this lecture we discussed question number 1 to 5 of exercise 9.1 from the NCERT book of mathematics class 7. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel AP Classes. Thank you.